Hello, my beautiful student. How are you? Today we have English word lesson, but this time we are talking about the workbook or the activity book because as we see the last lesson we finished unit 4 of people books, so we have to go for the activity book and solve all the activity of unit 4. The first activity is talking about find the words. We have those pictures and we have those words inside, or the letters inside the box. We have to find the correct word for each picture. What we call it? For example, we call it shirt, boots, dress, hat, umbrella, sandals, jacket, trousers. So we have to find the correct word inside this box, like what I did. This one is dress. From here to here is dress, so we're gonna circle it. This is trousers, shirt, boots, jacket, hat, umbrella, and shoes. So also you're gonna write the words that you found it here depending of each picture here. So for example, number 1 it's writing shirt, number 2 it's writing boots. Where we bring it? Here. So you're gonna write the word here. And hat, dress, umbrella, shoes, jacket, and trousers. Okay, so you're gonna found the word here depending of each picture, then you're gonna write the word, the correct word, depending of looking at the picture. Second activity, say read and write the names. How we know their names? We have to read the story, okay, read the reading, then we're gonna know which which picture is, for example, Tom or Sue. For example, number 1 is say Joe has got a black trousers. A black trouser. Who got a black trouser and a white jacket? White jacket, white shoes, and a black shirt. Okay, we have to look at the picture, see the colors, then we're gonna write their names. About this sentence, it's talking about Joe. We can see inside the picture, this is Joe, right? And so on for the other pictures, okay? You have to read it, then depending of their clothes color, you're gonna write their names under their picture, okay? This activity here is like a matching. You have to draw the line to 3 things, which is the basic things. For example, here we have a box, we have to put the toys, and a bag to put the clothes, and a table to put some, for example, lamp or a flower or a jar on it, okay? So, for example, here inside the box or the toys, the box of the toys, we have to put plane, we have to put doll, okay? Also, we have to put kite and train. Where's the train? Here, okay? We have to put there. So we're gonna write a line to each picture, which is we want to put it inside the box. Second one, we have the picture of a bag. We have those dress or those clothes, we have to put it inside the bag, like the shirt, the dress, and the hat, and the shoes. Okay, so you're gonna put it inside the bag. The last one, we have a table. We have to put a photo on a table, and the lamp on a table, and the jar, which is we put it some flour on it, on the table. Also, the last one, we have to put the clock on the table. Do you get it? It's easy. You just write the line to each 3 basic things that we have to use it. This one is say find the words and write the words. Those things that we have it here, their name is writing here. We just have to put those things that we put it here inside there. We're gonna write their names. For example, here we put plane, doll, kite, and train. So inside the box here, we're gonna write the names that we put it. Also for the back and also for the table, okay? The other activity is talking about complete the question, then circle the correct or the right answer. For example, the question is say, we can see the girl holding a dress and say, does she like the dress? She's happy, so we can answer by yes, she does. Second one, we can see a girl, okay, she's wearing a hat, but she's sad. So the question will be, does she like the hat? No, she doesn't. Why? Because she's sad. So on, you're gonna do the other activity, okay? You just have to write the question depending of the picture if they are happy or they are sad. Then you're gonna answer the question depending of their happiness or sadness about the things that they wear it or they have it, okay? Another activity say put the words in the right order. The right order. So they are in mixed order. We have to put it in the right order. Like this one, writing hat, not, the, does, girl, like, the. So we have to put it in the right order like this one. We say the girl doesn't like the hat. Okay, so the word got mixed. You have to put it in the right order to make a correct sentence. Okay, it's easy. I'm gonna do the second one for you as an example. You have the, does, the, not, jacket, boy, like. So the sentence will be, the boy doesn't like the jacket. The boy doesn't like the jacket, okay? Another activity is say, complete the conversation with the words in the box. So we have this conversation and we have those words as a help to complete the conversation. For example, the first one is say, do you like, we are talking about, for example, sports. We say, do you like sports? And they are answering, we say, because they are happy, so they say, yes, we do. Whenever you use each word, you just tick it to know which word it remains to use it for the other blank, okay? So another activity is say, complete the sentence with do or does. So we have the question with do and does. We knew about it inside the unit 4. We say whenever we use do, we use it with I, we, and you, they. And does, we use it with he, she, it. For example, this one is say do the children. When we say the children, because you are talking about more than one child, so we have to ask by do. We say do the children like computer games? Second one is say does Amy like sports? Because Amy is a name of a girl, and with girl, for girl we use she, and with she we use does. So we say, does she or does Amy like sports? Another one is say, do you like basketball? Because it's you, we say with you, we use do. And it say, does the dog like the cats? Because we have the dog and cat, so we talked about animal, and for animal we use it, and we say with it we use does. So did you get it? It's easy. It's like this way. You're gonna solve it, okay? And this activity talking about, it say read and color the picture, write the names. So this is much fun. I know you're gonna like this one because you can color their clothes depending of this reading, not by your choice, okay? So you have to read this, and depending of the reading, you have to color their clothes, okay? For example, this one is say Ben is wearing long trousers. They are blue. Long trousers, they are blue. This is Ben. Why? Because we can see his trousers is too long. So you have to make a Ben's trouser blue, the color blue. And Fred is wearing shorts. They are blue too. Who's Fred, which is wearing short? This is Fred. So you have to make this shirt blue also. For example, let's say Mom is wearing a green dress and a black shoes. So you have to make Mom's dress green and their shoes black. That's the way you're gonna color the picture, okay? Also, we have this activity say read the questions and write the names. So you have to read the question depending of this reading and write their names. It say who is holding an umbrella. We can see inside the picture mom is holding an umbrella. So you're gonna write the name mom. Okay, like this way you have to read the reading, then answer the question, also color their clothes and write their names. Okay, and this picture is talking about the phonics. We have those pictures, we have to write their names or the words, and here you can just write the first or second letter, then you can write all the letter again here. Rewrite it here. For all the pictures, you can do it. Depending on the picture, you can write the letter and the words. Also here is say look at the picture, then complete the sentence, use the words on this page. So you have to look at this picture, then read the sentence, and inside each blank you're gonna write those words that we have it here. We use it for the phonics. Okay, also here we have writing skills. This one is talking about how you're gonna write about the pictures. We have those words which is long, short, thick, thin, big and small, and we have coat, gloves, shoes, trainers and socks. First one, we can see a picture of a long socks, so we say these are long socks. Second one, we can see a picture of short socks, right? It's short, so we can say these are short socks. If you don't know how to write short and socks, it's here. It's like giving you as a help. You can write it depending of those words that gave it to you. You're gonna write the other picture like this way. Also he say write about the weather. This one you have to look into each picture, then write about the weather. For example, this is rainy, this is foggy, this is snowy, and this is sunny. Okay, you have the words here. Just write each word like inside the sentence under each correct picture. And here we have the composition practice, which is talking about those pictures that we have it. Is talking about how we talk about each picture depending of the weather. So you're gonna write about their clothes here and about the weather. So this is a snowy weather. Which clothes we use it or we wear it whenever we are have a snowy weather. Also this picture talking about a tennis. What we wear whenever we want to play tennis. You're gonna write about their clothes. Okay, and here we have make a question. Okay, we have a question to make it, which is say talking about the picture, and we have the word the boys. For example, we are talking about the boys. We say whenever we want to talk about more than one person, we have to use they, and with they we have to ask by do. So we say do the boys like football? And about Lisa, because it's a name of a girl, and for girl we use she, and with she we use does. So the question will be, does Lisa like tennis? Because we can see a picture of tennis. Okay, number 3 is say you. So you're gonna ask about someone. You say do you. We say with you we use do. We say do you like orange? Because the picture is orange. And also here we have the word the dog. The dog is, we see it's animal, and for animal we use it, and with it we ask by does. So we say does the dog, we have a picture of cat, does the dog like the cat? Does the dog like the cat? Here we have the children. Because we are talking about more than one child, we have to use they, and with they we use do. So we say do the children like cakes? Number 6 is say Ben. Ben is a name of a boy, and for boy we use he, and with he we ask by does. So we say does Ben like sweets or candy? The girls, because we are talking about more than one girl, so we have to ask by do. We say do the girls like basketball? This way you're gonna write the questions. And here we have, say, change the sentence. The sentence are positive, we have to make it negative. How we make it negative? By writing no and not inside the sentence. For example, say John likes basketball. If you want to make it negative, you say no, John does not like basketball. Did you saw the difference? Whenever we make it negative, we have to use no at the beginning. Then we're gonna write the first name that we have it, which is talking about. Then because we are talking about John, a name of a boy, and for boy we use he, and with he we use does, or we ask by does. And then because the answer is no, we have to write not with it. And here we can see the S of the like here is written, but whenever we say does, we use does, we erase the S of the like. So we just write like. Did you get it? That difference? It's a big or huge difference. You have to worry about it, okay? So we're gonna do the others like this way. Just add no to it and beware of the S of the like here whenever you use does with it. The last example or the last activity or of page or unit 4 is talking about this picture. We have those picture and we have to write about each picture what they like and what they don't like. For example, here is say Jenny. Who is Jenny? Let's go. This is Jenny. And the line goes to beans. Okay, so we have to here Jenny is say likes beans. She doesn't like carrots. Why? Because Jenny here, we have another line goes to a picture of carrots, but she's sad. But here she's happy when the line goes to beans. This way, you're gonna write the sentence depending of each picture, if they are happy or they sad, and you're gonna follow the line that goes to each picture with matching them, okay? So our lesson for today will be end. I'm sorry, I guess it's too much for you, but that's the way that you're gonna learn. And I know that you are all clever and you're gonna study, you're gonna listen to my videos, and you can do every day you can do 2 pages of the activity to be not too much for you. So every day you can just 2 pages of the activity, and it will be a very good way to learn. Okay, so I'm gonna see you for the next lesson. Bye.